Trump administration faces judicial pressure over refusal to return. Wrongfully deported Kilmar Armando Garcia. The Trump administration is under intense scrutiny after mistakenly deporting Kilmar Armando Abrego Garcia, a Maryland resident, to a high-security prison in El Salvador despite a 2019 court order protecting him from removal. Federal judges are demanding detailed explanations and compliance with Supreme Court orders to facilitate his return, but the administration has resisted, citing jurisdictional and security concerns. Abrego Garcia was deported to El Salvador in March 2025, despite a 2019 immigration judge's ruling that he should not be removed due to a credible fear of persecution from local gangs. The Trump administration has admitted the deportation was an administrative error. The U.S. Supreme Court ordered the administration to facilitate Abrego Garcia's return to the United States. However, the Trump administration has delayed compliance, prompting federal judges to press for immediate action and detailed disclosures of repatriation efforts. U.S. District Judge Paula Zinnes has expressed frustration at the administration's lack of transparency and failure to comply with court orders, mandating expedited depositions and daily updates on efforts to return Abrego Garcia. El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele has publicly stated he will not permit Abrego Garcia's return, equating it to smuggling a terrorist into the U.S., complicating repatriation efforts. The administration alleges Abrego Garcia is affiliated with the violent MS-13 gang, designating it a foreign terrorist organization. However, Abrego Garcia denies gang membership and has never been charged with related crimes. His lawyers argue these claims lack credible evidence. Abrego Garcia is held in CECOT, a notorious prison in El Salvador, known for housing individuals deemed terrorists. Human rights concerns have been raised about detainees' safety in this facility. The Justice Department has indicated that if Abrego Garcia returns to the U.S., he may be detained and face removal proceedings again, including potential revocation of his withholding of removal status granted in 2019. Abrego Garcia, who lived in the U.S. for 14 years, is married and has 3 children with disabilities. His family and advocates have condemned the administration's handling of the case as a grave injustice. The case highlights tensions between the executive branch's immigration enforcement policies and judicial authority, raising questions about the limits of presidential power and the protection of due process rights. This ongoing legal and diplomatic standoff underscores the complexities and human costs of immigration enforcement under the Trump administration, with courts increasingly